Good morning, dear students. In the last class, we discussed about the AP last exercise, and that till 8th problem we did. Now we'll continue with the ninth one. Okay. Now they gave you the sum of the first 7 terms of an AP is 49. So they gave you sum of the first 7 terms of an AP. So what is that? How to find that first 7 term? Sum they give. So therefore here yes 7 which is equals to 49, and here n is equals to 7, and here n is equals to 7. So then, and also they gave you and that 17 terms is sum of the 17 term, that is s17 which is equals to 289. We need to find the sum of the find the sum of the find the sum of the first n terms. Find the sum of the first n terms. Okay, so we know that what we know that sn is equals to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Sn is equals to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Okay, now first we'll find the s7. In the s7 we can write here 7 by 2 into 2 into what is a value? We don't know what is a value. Okay, so write that as it is a then plus n minus 1, that is 7 minus 1. I'll write directly here 60. Okay, so now what is s7? S7 we know that is 49. 49 which is equals to 7 by 2 into 2 into here 60. This is 60, so you can take out here 2 as common. If we take out 2 as common, what remains? A plus 3d, and also here 2 and 2 get cancelled. So therefore you'll get here 49 which is equals to 7 into a plus 3d. So therefore 49 by 7 which is equals to a plus 3d. So 7 ones are 7, 7 sevens are 49. So therefore we can write here 7 which is equals to a plus 3d. 7 which is equal to a plus 3d. Call this as equation 1. Okay, similarly here also you can find the 17. So here yes 17 which is equals to 17 by 2 into 2a plus n minus n is nothing but 17. I'll write directly as 16d. Why? Because n minus 1 into d, directly write 16d, that is 17 minus 1. So here is 17 which is equals to 289 which is equals to 17 is there, right? 17 by 2 and 2 is common, then a plus 8d. 2 and 2 get cancelled, so therefore 289 divided by 17 which is equals to a plus 8d. So what is 289 divided by 17? 289 divided by 17 is nothing but again 17 only, 17 which is equal to a plus 8d. Call this as equation 2. Now simplify equation 1 and 2, so you'll get any of the value, either a or d. So we'll go for a only, sorry we'll go for d only. A plus 3d is equals to 7 and a plus 8d is equals to 17. Now what you will do, change the sign of the second equation, minus minus minus. If it is plus is there, you need to change to minus. When it is minus is there, you need to change to the plus. Why? Because plus and minus get cancels. So here plus a minus a get cancelled. So 8 minus, what is this, 8 minus 3, that is nothing but 5. That is nothing but 5. So 5 is there, so right here minus 5d, which is equals to minus 17 plus 7, that is minus 10. Minus minus get cancel. D is equals to 10 by 5. So therefore D is equals to 2. We got that D is equals to 2. Okay, so now what we need to find? We need to find the sum of n terms. Okay, yeah, D we got. So from this D we can find A also. That is A plus 3D, which is equals to 7. So here A what is A value? A value is nothing but, we don't know what is A value, we need to find A plus 3 into D. D value is nothing but 2, which is equal to 7. So therefore A is equals to 7 minus 3 2s are 6. So A is equals to 1. So we got A value. So we need to find what? Find the sum of first n terms. So we know what is A, what is D. So you can substitute here. Sn is equals to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into t. Now substitute here. Sn is equals to n by 2 into a. A value is, just now we found A value is 1. 1 plus n minus 1 into d value is 2. Now simplify here. Sn is equals to n by 2 into 2 plus 2n minus 2. Here 2 and 2 get cancelled. Sn is equals to n by 2 into 2n. Again here 2 and 2 get cancelled. Therefore Sn is equals to n into n is what? N square. Therefore this is the solution. Is that clear? Sn is equals to n square. Okay, we'll go for the next problem. Okay, now here they give you a1 a2, show that a1 a2 up to an forms an AP, where an is defined as below. So here an they give. Okay, and also we need to find sum of first 15 terms in each case, that is S15 we need to find. Okay, so they're not given a1 a2 a3, but we need to find a1 a2 a3. How to find? It's very simple. I'll take the first one. Here two problems we have. I'll take the first one. So here an, which is equals to 3 plus 4n. Okay, then a1, which is equals to 3 plus 4 into 1. So this is equals to 3 plus 4, 7. Then a2, which is equal to 3 plus 4 into 2, which is equal to 4 2s are 8, 8 plus 3. What is 8 plus 3? It's nothing but 11. So then a3, which is equals to 3 plus 4 into 3. 4 3s are 12. 12 plus 3 is 15. Okay. So therefore, so what is the common difference? So we know that common difference is equals to a2 minus a1. So a2 is 11 minus 7. So therefore D is equals to 4. So D is equals to 4. Okay, D is equals to 4 we got. So now what we need to find? We need to find the S15. So what is S15? S15 is equals to, okay, what we know what is Sn is. Sn is n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into t. And also you know what is A. A is nothing but 7. Okay, now substitute the values and we need to find what is, and n is equals to 15. Why? Because they ask us to find the sum of 15 terms. So therefore S15, which is equals to 15 by 2 into 2 into A. A value is 7 plus n minus 1 into D. N is 15, that is okay, 15 minus 1 into D. D value is 4. So then S15, which is equals to 15 by 2, 7.5 will get. So into 14 plus, here also will get 14 times 4, 14 4s are. So what will get? Okay, right, 14 into 4. So then S15, which is equals to 7.5 into 14. What is 14 fours? 14 fours, so we'll get it around 70. If we add everything, 14 fives are 70. Okay, you'll get 70. When you multiply this, S15, which is equals to 7.5 times 70, which is equals to 525. 525 is the S15 value for the first one. Okay, similarly you should do for the second one. Do this in the homework book. Okay, we'll go for next problem. Yes. Okay, next problem. If the sum of the first n terms of an AP is 4n minus n square, what is the first term, that is S1? What is the sum of the first two terms? Then what is the second term? Similarly, find the third, the 10th and the nth term of an AP. Okay, so that is almost what we done in the last problem. Is the same as that, but here they gave what is Sn. So here Sn, which is equals to, they gave that Sn which is equals to 4n minus n square. Okay, we need to find S1. Okay, first term. So it is very easy. In place of n, you need to replace it as S1. S1 is equals to 4 into 1 minus 1 square. So therefore S1 is equals to 4 minus 1. So therefore S1 is equals to 3. S1 is equals to 3. Okay, what is the sum of the first two terms? Next question is, what is the sum of the first two terms? So first two terms is nothing but A1 plus A2. What is A1 plus A2? So here we know what is S1, but we don't know what is A1. So here S1 and A1 both are same. So therefore you can write here S1 is equals to A1. So therefore I replaced here. And also they give anything, any hint they give? No, they not give any hint. We'll find what is S2. S2 which is equals to 4 into 2 minus 2 square, right? So therefore S2 which is equals to 4 2s are 8 minus 2 square is 4. So S2 which is equals to what? 4. What is S2? S2 is nothing but sum of first two terms. So S2 which is equals to A1 plus A2. So now here we know what is A1. A1 is nothing but 3 plus what is A2? We don't know. And what is A1 plus A2 is nothing but S2. Isn't A1 plus A2 is nothing but S2. So therefore what is S2? S2 is 4. Therefore we can write here A2 is equals to 4 minus 3. So for A2 is equals to 1. A2 which is equals to 1. Okay, so then next A2 we got A2 is equals to 1. Then what we need to find? So hence the second term is 1. Okay, so then what is common difference? So we know what is A1. So just now we found A1 is equals to 3 and A2 is equals to 1. So what is common difference? Common difference D, which is equals to A2 minus A1, which is equals to A2 is 1, A1 is 3. So therefore common difference D is equals to minus 2. D is equals to minus 2. Okay, now so what we need to find? So what is the sum of the first two terms? Yes, we found that sum of first two terms. Okay, what is the second term? Second term also we found. Similarly find the third term. So that is we need to find A3. It is easy to find A3. So what is A3? A3 which is equals to A plus 2D. Okay, so here A plus A3 which is equal to A we know value, we know 1 plus 2 into D value is minus 2. So which is equals to 1 minus 4. So here A3 which is equals to 3. So A3 which is equals to minus 3, sorry. A3 which is equals to minus 3. Is it clear? Okay, so the 10th and the nth term, 10th term, so that is a10, a10 which is equals to a plus 90. So here a10 is a value is 1 plus 9 into minus 2. So here a10 which is equals to 1 plus 1 minus 9 2s are 18, 9 2s are 18. So a10 which is equals to minus 17, minus 17. Okay, a10 value we got that, which is equals to minus, okay, just a minute. Dear students, sorry, I did one mistake here. What is that? In the sense, in place of a I need to place 3. Why? Because a value is a1 value is 3, so by mistake I wrote a1 value as 1. So sorry for that. I'll replace this and I'll change this now. Okay, in this case and also in this case. Okay, so now a3 value is a3 which is equals to a value is 3 plus 2 into minus 2. So therefore a3 which is equals to 3 minus 4. So a3 which is equals to, what is a3 value, sorry, a3 which is equals to minus 1, a3 which is equals to minus 1. And again here a10, so a10 is equals to a value is 3 plus 9 into minus 2, 3 plus 9 into minus 2. Then what you're going to get, so a10 which is equals to 3 plus into minus, and 2 is 18. So therefore what is a10 which is equals to minus 15, is it? That 3 minus 18 is minus 15. And last we need to find what is the sorry, what need to find here, we need to find what is the 10th term we found third term, 10th term, and now we have to find nth term. Okay, nth term we need to find, so that is nothing but an. So how to find an now? So we know that an which is equals to a plus n minus 1 into d. Okay, so we know what is n, what is d. So a is 3, we don't know what is n, so n minus 1 into d value is just now we found, that is what is d value. So d value is nothing but minus 2, replace minus 2. So here an which is equals to 3 plus 3 plus into, okay, simplify only, minus 2n plus 2. So therefore an which is equals to 3 minus 2n plus 2. So here an is equals to 3 plus 2 is 5 minus 2n. So this is the value of an. This is the value of an. Is it clear? I hope all of you understood. Okay, so the remaining problems we'll do in the next class, and today no homework for you. Happy Independence Day. Thank you.